Psychology Sunday. My 5 points from the 5 days I traded. Wednesday, I mean, Loki actually had a profitable, technically would have had a profitable week. I had one winning day, but that day I didn't trade on the fund that I have now. So I'm basically back to square one. I feel like I've actually been profitable the last couple weeks, but uh, just with the fundeds and whatever the rules on with the trailing drawdown, um, and switching fundeds has kind of reset me. But overall, I think I've actually been trading well. Um, this week, my 5 points were stick to strategy, overall not taking a trade. Make sure to check all confluences and make sure you took everything into consideration. I definitely think sometimes I'm uh miss maybe like an hourly SMT or 15-minute SMT or maybe some higher time frame or something. Maybe the hourly closes at 10. I don't recheck or I don't check the 15-minute per closure, so I always want to keep checking and look for new confluences. Um, Also, there's been a decent amount of trades just kind of, or seemingly there's been trades that have looked good at the start, but waiting to layer into market open is usually better. And overall, staying patient and not trading unless I have all my confluences. And even when I have both my confluences, still being patient enough and knowing whether it's a good trade or a great trade. Because I only need 2 5-minute confluences to enter. So if maybe there's a 5-minute bearish SMT, and I'm not going to go long if there's any sort of contradicting um, confluences or just reading the overall market. You can kind of just tell sometimes. Uh, did not do. Actually, no, I did Saturday. Did I do Saturday? But I didn't do my technical. I think I did. Usually, Tuesday price action. I guess I didn't. Well, technical this week. I'll just do in this video. Uh, when PA is choppy, waiting for a higher time frame, 15 SMT is best. 5-minute SMTs just get cooked sometimes, especially when the higher time frame is in the other direction. Big news later on in the day usually means price action during market open will be choppy, like we had on, was it Wednesday? Yeah. When the higher time frame is in the overall trend and you get a 5-minute SMT reversal, it can easily get disrespected, like I said earlier. Waiting for 15-minute SMT or other confluence will signal an actual reversal. Although the 5-minute can definitely continue or be the reversal point, waiting for that 15-minute usually is best, especially if it is a big reversal. You'll still be able to catch the move. Um, Sometimes I'll get the confidence to take a trade, but that doesn't mean I have to. Uh, and sometimes there might be other contradiction confluences. So that's kind of today's or the last week's psychology and technical one of the week. So what news we got? Dang, we're almost on Christmas break. Nothing Monday, Tuesday. Nothing too crazy. Nothing. That's it. See if that comes out. Friday, nothing. It was looking like a decent week. See what price does before the last 14 days. Really interesting. Right now, it's kind of just staying within. Actually, ooh, thought I'd say staying in this range, but no, low dumping. I was kind of expecting that. Like once you build up all this liquidity, but we're gonna see what this does. I mean, those are all-time highs. And we get a nice little reversal. See if this is making a higher time frame S&P. It is. Oh, it is. We'll see. Monday might be a straight up. Ooh. Yeah, Monday might be straight up. That'd be interesting. We're actually, those are all-time highs. No. Wait. Yeah, that is insane. Like July, we're making all-time highs, and literally November, we only came back down to the all-time highs in July. We're actually not that far away from all-time highs. Man, we might rally. Well, see what happens Monday.